Betaruan.
Jadi membangun image itu begitu mahal.
Orang kita juga 60.000 aja ya, bilang dong.
Got rather used to it.
Yeah.
Well, I had a very good, lengthy discussion with the President about the Indonesian economy, about the process of political reform, and about the situation in East Timor. And we are very pleased in Australia to see that the President is taking forward the process of political reform in a constructive and a courageous way, a difficult economic environment. The Indonesian government is implementing the IMF program now and doing everything it can to get the economy back into shape. And we're certainly pleased to see the commitment to addressing the long-standing and very difficult issue of East Timor. So it's been a very useful, well, let me see, hour and 10 minutes that I've had with the President. Okay.
About East Timor, can you clarify?
We had a discussion about the issue of East Timor, and from Australia's perspective, we've said for a long time that we think it's important that the military presence in East Timor be reduced and that there be a greater degree of autonomy in East Timor, that the people of East Timor should have a greater say in their own affairs, and human rights of the people of East Timor should be respected. The President clearly has a commitment to do those things, and in particular he discussed with me his meeting with Bishop Bello, and we regarded that meeting between the President and Bishop Bello recently as a very important step forward.
Sir,
Okay.
during SM Summit, you accused that Indonesia blocked your application to enter the SM. And you say despite your great contribution, Indonesia did nothing for it. What did you comment with that?
Well, this is something some time ago, and we just put this issue behind us.
And do you still believe that Habibie blocked your membership for ASEM?
No, I don't think the issue of Australia's membership with ASEM, from my recollection of the incident, which was a little while ago, was in broad terms discussed at all. The issue of future membership of ASEM is something that's going to be considered over the next 2 years in the lead up to the next ASEM summit meeting in Seoul.
So it's not that Indonesia blocked your membership.
No, not at all.
So you are wrong at the time.
But just put it all behind us, that's what I say.
Thank you, sir.
Ya, ada apa-apa lagi dong.
Saya nggak ada sikit-sikit, Pak.
Apa? Mengenai apa?
Tadi, Pak.
Mengenai apa?
Tadi Australia dengan
Tadi kan dia udah berikan.
versi Indonesia kan belum ada, Pak.
Iya,
Terutama yang Pak
sama.
Habibie-nya, Pak.
Enggak sama. Kita dalam pembicaraan itu Australia ingin mendengar langsung mengenai perkembangan-perkembangan terakhir di Indonesia, dan Bapak Presiden telah menjelaskan policy kita, reformasi yang telah dilakukan dalam waktu yang singkat di bidang politik, ekonomi, dan hukum, dan apa yang akan kita kembangkan dalam bulan-bulan yang akan datang sampai kepada pemilu. Australia saya kira selama ini telah menunjukkan sikap yang sangat mendukung dan sangat membantu, dan Bapak Presiden mengakui hal itu dan menyampaikan penghargaan kita terhadap sikap yang simpatik dari Australia. Dan Australia juga berjanji akan terus-menerus mendukung Indonesia, karena juga merupakan kepentingan mereka sendiri bahwa Indonesia dapat mengatasi kemelut ekonomi dan politiknya itu. Kemudian mengenai Timor Timur dijelaskan sedikit mengenai pembicaraan atau hasil pembicaraan Presiden dengan Uskup Bello. Di situ sekali lagi sikap Australia sudah jelas. Australia tergolong negara-negara Barat yang sepenuhnya mengakui integrasi, baik de jure maupun de facto. Namun dari semula pun seperti tadi dijelaskan, Australia telah senantiasa mendorong agar supaya ada lebih banyak otonomi lah gitu, agar juga beberapa hal seperti hak asasi manusia lebih diindahkan oleh Indonesia dan lain sebagainya. Saya kira itu juga merupakan salah satu daripada sikap Australia selama ini, dan kita semua telah jelaskan kepada mereka bahwa kesemuanya itu akan kita perhatikan, kita akan lakukan dalam rangka nanti mencari suatu penyelesaian yang menyeluruh itu, ya. Oke.